Why does funk make you feel so alive like you could take over the world? Most people think it's just hype music made for ego and gym edits. But the truth is, it can actually make you 10 times more productive toward anything you want to achieve. Here's how. Step 1. The trigger code. Phonk only works when your brain connects the sound to a specific action. Before you hit play, decide exactly what you're about to do, like study, train, build, whatever it is. Because when you do, your brain starts linking that sound with focus and movement. Every time the beat drops, it's like your mind gets a signal. It's time to work. If you listen without purpose, it's just hype. But if you connect it with action, it becomes a trigger for discipline. Step 2. The launch sequence. Don't play funk while working. Use it right before you start. Play a track, close your eyes, feel that bass, and let it raise your energy. As soon as the drop hits, move, start your task. You're teaching your brain, this sound means it's time to perform. It's the same way athletes use music before a game to enter flow state. Step 3. The sync protocol. When you play funk, don't sit still. Stretch, walk, fix your posture, and breathe with the rhythm. The movement pairs your body with the beat, syncing your physical energy with your mental state. That's how the sound becomes a command, not background noise. And over time, you won't even need the music anymore because your body will already know that it's grind time. Funk isn't just music. It's your on switch for focus, but only if you use it with purpose.